Hey guys, my name is Nora and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am just going to be doing a first impressions video on these eye patches that I saw on Amazon. So bare face, and I'm like really happy to not be having to wear makeup during a video. It's so nice. But you can definitely see the condition that my skin is in. Not bad, but hyperpigmentation, blah blah blah, my insecurities, whatever. So nothing to do with this video, but I just thought, you know, sure, why not share. So these are the Care Market anti-wrinkle, anti-aging gold eye treatment masks. They depuff, hydrate, and revitalize. They are enriched with plant-based collagen, and they contain hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and nano active gold. You get 12 pairs, 2 patches each, so pretty nice deal. These are from Amazon and they are less than $10, and I love that they only have 13 ingredients, all of which are pronounceable, and when you Google them, they are like relatively pretty good ingredients. So you have water, glycerin, xanthan gum, nano active gold, collagen, L-dimension vitamin C. I don't know what the L-dimension means, but I'm guessing a more stable form of vitamin C. Licorice flavonoids, oak peptide, scotillaria extract, which when I looked it up, just surface information, it was pulled from an herb, hyaluronic acid, rose essential oil. Essential oils can be depending on your skin sensitivity level, so be mindful of that. And then seaweed polysaccharides. So it says cleaning face and dry the eye area thoroughly, apply mask, relax, enjoy for 20 to 30 minutes, remove mask, gently massage and extra essence under the eye, and no need to rinse. So I already washed my face. I just need to finish moisturizing, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. So you do get 12 of these. My first time trying that. I am hoping they really work, because I love eye patches, but one, I don't want to spend that much for them, and then two, half the ones I do see, not only are they pricey, but they have like an ingredient list that is so long. So I'm hoping these will do something. So if you guys been around for a while, you know that I just naturally have not bags, I just have like the puffiness underneath my eye that's just hereditary, and that's not going away. So my focus is not so much depuffing, because that's just not what my face does, but I want to look at how the texture under my skin is. So hopefully the camera won't glamour it up too much, but I normally get bumps around my eyes right here, especially if a product is like too thick or just it doesn't agree. I do have some fine lines, makings of crow feet. I smile a lot, so that's just what that is. But I just want to see how this will feel underneath the eye afterwards. And yeah, so I kind of lost one a little bit. Which way does this go? It's that way. I'll go fishing. Okay, cool. Also, question, how do y'all put these on? I like to put the smaller side closer to my nose and let the big side go out, but everywhere else I go, it's big here, small here. I just want to know, what do you guys do? I'm not changing up how I do it, but I just want to know, what do you guys do when you use eye mask? So yeah, that's normally how I apply mine. So is what it is. Oh, that cooling sensation feels so good. Where's the other one? I definitely smell the rose. It's not a bad scent. I'm just hoping, because it is an essential oil, I'm hoping they did, I mean, of course there's other ingredients, so it's diluted. So I'm hoping it's not too much for underneath the eye. So I'm just going to leave these on for the 20 to 30 minutes and tell you guys what I think, how they feel, if they slide a lot. So yeah, I mean, you can be fancy with your gold, so. Alright, well, I'll be back to peel these off in about 20 to 30 minutes, or whenever I feel I probably need to stop touching them so they'll stop moving. So I'll come back. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been about 25, maybe 30 minutes. I don't know, I lost track of time, but it's probably been about 25 minutes. So I know you like how I have to put on my glasses so I can see. Anyway, first thing, just wearing these. I don't really use the eye gels that are kind of like this material because those normally slide down my face like no other. I normally go for the cloth version. I will say though, these barely moved. And like by barely moved, like kind of how you saw in that first part where like this one kind of just went a little bit down like this. But it's like an easy fix and it pretty much stayed, and as it dries, it stays. I ran up and down the stairs a couple times when I first put them on and it did not, like, I've had one pair, I kid you not, as soon as I put it on, I went to go put on the other one and this first one was like already just coming down the face where it was just too much. These, I like. It's a nice cooling sensation, like it feels really nice, guys. It actually still has some stuff in there, but I'm just going to err on the side of caution. I don't want it to do the reverse effect where it's going to take stuff out of my skin because I left them on too long. So peeling that off. This looks so cool. This looks so cool. Again, wasn't really going for my type of bags because mine are hereditary. These are natural. These aren't from lack of sleep or anything like that. These are just how my eyes are. So I won't really look at whether or not they depuff the eyes like they say they do. I will say though, underneath feels a lot more, or even looks a lot more like moisturize. The fine lines I had, they're still there, but they look, you know, more, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know what word I'm looking for. There's no trash bag in there. I just had a brain fart. Overall though, I like. I won't leave it like this. I'm actually gonna put some of my jojoba oil on my whole face, but I do like how soft my under eye feels, and even though you can't really tell, my eyes are a little bit more open than what they were. So yay for that. Again, these are like really cheap and the ingredients are really good. I will say initially I was a little, I think it was in my head though, I was a little scared about the essential oil. But I didn't have any issues. No itching, no burning. If you're not allergic to anything on the ingredients list, you should be fine. Yeah. So again, that was just my first impression. I'm going to use the rest a little bit longer, but first impression wise, I'm liking it so far, and it's less than $10. It's like $9.97. It's $10 for a pack of 12 on Amazon, and of course Amazon Prime, so you get in like 1 to 2 days. Oh, nice and oily. Yeah, that feels really nice, and no extra bumps underneath. Sliding was to a minimum. You guys already know how I feel about the ingredients. I'm very happy with the ingredient list. I love that you get so many. I have the Sky Icelandic. Is that the other brand? I don't remember, but I have those. Not the best ingredients, some of them, but also it's like $30 for 15, I think that's how much it is for 15 of them, and I'm just like, bro, why? Or not even 15, I think it's $15 for 4, and then like 30 for 8 or something like that. Either way, they're expensive. I like these so much better just because of the price, and then the ingredient list, and it pretty much feels, aside from the texture of the mask, they feel the same as those masks. Like once I'm on, it's a nice cooling sensation. No irritation, slight slippage, but nothing that just a little won't put back, and I didn't have to do it often. I think I only did it when I ran up and down the stairs a few times, and then I was messing with my glasses a little bit. But other than that, it stayed where it was. I like it. Let me know your thoughts, but I like it. I'll have the link to this in the description box below if you are interested in it. Fairly cheap if you're looking for just a nice little eye mask to add to your routine. I have no complaints for this first one. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe as I do more random testing and just stuff in general on this channel. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!